headlines for the last 30 days on video. Making January's top headlines, Mpumalanga-based musician expressed concerns over ANC rallies, YFM loses vibrant manager, and Jozi goes to America. We start with business news. Mpumalanga-based musician expressed concerns over ANC rallies. A trade union urged African National Congress ANC President Jacob Zuma to force party officials in Mpumalanga to use local artists at political events. The Creative Workers Union of South Africa expressed concern that Johannesburg artists like Chippa Kwala, Blondie Makene, and Deborah Fraser were being given preference when it came to performing at major ANC events in the province. YFM loses vibrant manager. Vukile Zondi has resigned from YFM to join SAB's 5FM. Zondi joined YFM in 2008 as a BCom Law graduate from University of Johannesburg and was given the task of bringing YFM back to its core market. As such, he was the driving force behind the much anticipated 2008-2009 programming lineup that saw a lot of old voices not returning to the station. Vukile Zondi will have similar responsibilities at 5FM. We go to artist news. Lundi hit back with a loud bang. Controversial gospel artist Lundi Tyara is teaming up with gospel glory producer Sizwe Zwakho on his new album. Sizwe Zwakho is a respected producer who lays claim to the success of most gospel musicians in the country. The new album is set for release early this year. The Pelotons get serious in England. Top SA rock band The Pelotons have been confirmed as the support band for popular UK band Starsailor during their upcoming UK tour. Meanwhile, The Pelotons have just returned from France, where they performed to 2 exclusive showcases and in store at MIDA, the world's largest conference. The Pelotons will be performing in South Africa for a few shows before leaving for the UK to join Starsailor in March. Let's go to SA good news. Jozi gets invited to spring break. South Africa's hip-hop act Jozi was invited to Panama in the USA to play in a series of shows celebrating the much anticipated spring break festivities. This is no surprise for the increasingly popular crew who are currently riding high on the popularity of their latest hit, What's With The Attitude. The crew will perform from the 11th to the 18th of March. IFPI releases positive results for the music industry. A survey conducted by IFPI found that digital platforms last year cushioned the music industry from further effects of global economic crisis. In 2008, digital platforms accounted from about 20% of recorded music sales, up from 15% in 2007. This saw an estimated 25% growth in the music sales to US 3.7 billion, with single-track downloads also growing 24% for 1.4 billion units globally. Analysts express hope that this will continue to leverage the industry this year. Hot events. Just in case you forget, UK indie rock band Oasis is heading for South Africa to play the 2009 Coca-Cola Fest early this year. So put that reminder on your phone. 10 April in Jozi and 13 April in Cape Town. Well, that does it for MRO's top headlines for the last 30 days. For more industry news, please do log on to www.mio.co.za.